Stop editing your videos manually. What you're watching right now wasn't made in Premiere Pro or After Effects. It was entirely coded by AI with zero editing or coding skills required. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn a simple text prompt into a complete high-end marketing video using Claude AI. This is a game changer. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Claude AI Desktop. Go to the official Anthropic website, download and install the application. Quick heads up, you'll need the paid plan for this feature, but trust me, it's worth the investment. This tool will save you hours of editing time every single day. To make this work, we need to give Claude a local engine. We'll use a free developer tool called Node.js. Go to node.js.org and select your operating system. Download the recommended stable version, not the experimental beta. Open the installer, click Next, accept the license agreement, and leave every default setting exactly as it is. Don't change anything. Click Install, and you're done. The engine is now fully built. Next, create a dedicated workspace. Go to your desktop and create a new empty folder. Name it AI Videos. Now open your Claude desktop app. Look at the top right corner and click the tab labeled Code. Click Select Folder and choose the AI Videos folder you just created. Your workspace is now securely linked, but Claude can't make videos yet. We need to give it the instruction manual. Go to the chat box at the bottom of the app and type this exact command. Install the necessary libraries to create and render HTML5 videos with animations. I'll put this in the description. Hit Enter, a permissions box will appear. Click Approve for everything. Step away for a few minutes while Claude downloads the ability to animate and render videos locally. Let's test it. Type Create a simple 10-second animated video with text. Hit Enter and watch Claude do all the heavy lifting. It builds the folders, writes the code, and gives you a local web link. Click that blue link and your browser opens instantly with a live video preview. Setup is officially done. Now let's make some real content. Our first use case is a before and after ad for a local business. Open the AI Videos folder on your desktop and look for a subfolder named Public. If you don't see it, right-click and create it manually. Drop your before and after images into this folder. This is important. Rename your images to something simple like kitchenbefore.jpg and kitchenafter.jpg. Go back to Claude and paste this prompt. Build a 15-second before and after video ad using kitchenbefore.jpg and kitchenafter.jpg. Add smooth transitions and overlay text that says transform your space. Hit Enter and Claude generates your video instantly. Click Approve and in minutes you've built a lead-generating marketing asset. Now, the first version might look basic, like a simple slideshow, but here's the magic. You can upgrade it instantly. Go back to the chat box and type Add a scanner mask reveal effect and make the text slide in from the left. Hit Enter and Claude rewrites the code. Now your video looks futuristic and highly advanced. Remember this rule, you'll almost never get the perfect result on the first try. Keep talking to Claude and refining until you get exactly what you want. Want something even more professional? Type this. Build a 30-second futuristic intro with black, white, and neon green colors. Add a working loading bar that goes from 0 to 100% with smooth animations. Hit Enter. In traditional editing, this would take 30 minutes of precise keyframing. Claude calculates all the math and writes the code instantly. Look at that smooth animation. This elevates your brand credibility immediately. Once you're happy with your final video, click the Render button in the top right corner of the browser preview. Claude automatically packs all the code into a high-quality MP4 file. You can upload it straight to YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. No editing software needed, just clear instructions and AI execution. That's it for today. If this replaces editing for you, subscribe to Bulk AI for more automation tools and workflows. See you in the next one.